The murder of a Tripura student in Uttarakhand has resulted in widespread outrage. NDTV has accessed the medical report of 24-year-old MBA student Angel Chakma, and the report reveals the true horror of the attack that took place. He suffered bleeding in the brain and had injuries on the upper spine. There was also damage near the point where the brain connects to the spinal cord. Remember, Angel Chakma was attacked on the 9th of December and he passed away 14 days later. The Uttarakhand Chief Minister Pushkar Singh Dhami has spoken to the family of Angel Chakma, speaking to his father and assuring that the Uttarakhand government will ensure the strictest punishment for the culprits. His father is in the BSF. Now, according to Angel's family, he was killed for objecting to racial slurs hurled at him by his attackers at him and his brother Michael. His family also alleges that Angel was murdered simply for trying to protect his younger brother from the attackers, who called them Chinese and Momo. Well, let's just take a look at what Pushkar Singh Dhami said when he spoke to Angel Chakma's father.
एक्चुअली में बहुत ही दुखद घटना हुआ। हम बहुत दुखी हैं इससे, और इस पर हमने बहुत सख्त कार्रवाई के लिए कहा है यहाँ पर, है ना। और पांच लोग जो भी इसमें थे बदमाश, 5 गिरफ्तार कर लिए गए हैं, जो भी इस घटना में जिन्होंने भी अपराध में किया है। और एक कोई नेपाल का था, शायद वो नेपाल भागा हुआ है या कहाँ है, तो उसके ऊपर इनाम यहाँ घोषित हमने कर दिया है, और उसको पकड़ने के लिए भी टीम वहाँ पर भेज दी गई है पुलिस की ना। तो हम इसमें पूरी कार्रवाई करवाएंगे। आप बिल्कुल मतलब इस बात के लिए तो कोई आपको नहीं करना, जो भी कठोर से कठोर कार्रवाई होगी वो होगी। और हम लोग पूरे परिवार के साथ हैं, हर तरीके से आपके साथ हैं, इससे दुख की घड़ी में हर तरीके से, है ना।
This incident actually broke me out too much actually, and this incident not also happening to him only, it also happening every Northeast Indians. My demand is to the government to take strict enforcement of anti-discrimination laws, and also accountability from law enforcement police, and also representation and visibility of Northeast Indians.
इन लोग को पहले ये दोनों भाई बाजार में गए थे कुछ सामान लेने के लिए। उन लोग को मॉक किया चाइनीज चाउमीन करके, क्योंकि हमारा नाक छोटा है, आँख छोटा है, इसलिए बोल के उन लोग चल रहे थे मोमो चाइनीज चिंकी पोंकिंग करके। और शायद कुछ गंदा गाली भी दिया होगा माँ के बारे में। उन लोग तो नहीं बोल रहे, क्योंकि शर्माते हैं वो लोग। फिर इन लोग ने जस्ट बोला था हम लोग को, क्यों बोल रहे हो भैया ऐसा करके, वहाँ पर ही मार दिया छोटा भाई को। फिर छोटा भाई को बचाने के लिए बड़ा भाई गया, उसको 6 लोग ने मिलके पूरा मार दिया। ऑपरेशन वो दे आर जस्ट शोइंग देयर सिंपैथी, दे आर जस्ट लाइक शोइंग देयर सिंपैथी टू अस। वो लोग ऐसे बाद में बोलते हैं हम वी आर विद यू, बट वो लोग नहीं है ऐसा। से कैसे मेन एक्यूज थे, क्योंकि उसका मौत सिर्फ चाकू मारने से नहीं हुआ, उसका गला तोड़ दिया गया है।
हमारा मांग यह है कि सरकार ऐसा कोई बिल या फिर लॉ पास करे, और जो यहाँ पे शामिल है हत्या में, उनकी हत्या में जो शामिल है उन पर कठोर ऐसे एक्शन ले कि बाकी सब स्टेट में भी इसका एक एग्जांपल सेट हो कि ऐसा नहीं करना चाहिए, किसी की अपीयरेंस के साथ खिलवाड़ नहीं करना चाहिए।
माननीय मुख्यमंत्री धामी जी से मेरा बात हुआ है कि जो जस्टिस चाहिए वो जरूर करेंगे। 5 आदमी अरेस्ट हुआ है और 1-2 शायद और बचा है, और उनको पकड़ने के लिए ऑलरेडी लोग भेजा भी है, और मेरे ख्याल से वो पकड़ा जाएगा। मैंने कहा किसी जगह में भी कुछ गैप नहीं होना चाहिए। उन्होंने मुझे एश्योरेंस किया है कि इन लोगों को जो जस्टिस देना है वो जस्टिस दिलाएंगे, और उनको अभी 5 आदमी को अरेस्ट किया है।
Well, let's go across to Ratnadeep now for more on this story. And Ratnadeep, this, shocking and tragic attack and the death of Angel Chakma has only brought to the fore once again all these insecurities and anger over how people from the Northeast are sometimes treated in different parts of the country. Also, we've accessed the medical report that just shows how gruesome the injuries were.
Absolutely. In fact, the medical report that has been accessed by NDTV clearly shows that the attack that took place on Angel Chakma after he confronted those group of 6 people who were racially abusing him and his brother were very, very brutal. They have attacked him in such a way that they wanted to kill him. It was very clear from the medical report. He has bleeding in his head. The portion where the spinal cord and the brain connects was the place where he was stabbed. So therefore there were injuries, serious injuries to his spinal cord. Remember, he was rushed to the hospital, a private hospital in Dehradun in a very serious condition, was in the ICU on life support for 14 days. His family really trying hard without almost no government support, to try and see if they can save him, but they were not fortunate enough. He had died untimely and killed in a rather brutal way, and the medical report really makes it very clear. So therefore now strong action needs to be taken. There are demands from the Chakma community, the community to which he belongs, that a fast-track court trial should take place. But what is important to note here is that this just goes to show the insecurities, the grey areas which are still there when the students of Northeast, particularly from the different tribal communities, they go outside the region to study. Often in past we have come across this kind of cases. Remember the case of Nido Tania of Arunachal Pradesh. That was
right.
Also very brutal that took place, and that in that point of time there were a lot of talking, there were a lot of assurances given, but perhaps once again we are in the same place where the government only reacts when there is an outrage on social media.
That's
right.
right.
We did see that both the Tripura government and the Uttarakhand government kind of reacted only when there was an outrage. So this kind of attitude perhaps needs to get changed if this has to be the last such horrific incident.